how do I use Searchy with Kajabi? Searchy Hubs doesn't have email marketing and probably never will, but Searchy Hubs does have the ability using the tool called Zapier. Zapier will connect Searchy Hubs with an email marketing platform. ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, whatever you want to use. Some people are trying to use Searchy Hubs as a website. I'm dubious about that for a lot of different reasons. And it's not just because, I use Kajabi. From an SEO perspective, if that's important to you, I don't know how effective that's going to be. At this point, Searchy Hubs is still pretty new and they are constantly adding things. Don't get me wrong. I don't see blogging on it. I just don't, unless you're doing video blog. If you're a vlogger, it's probably aces. To say that Searchy Hubs is going to completely replace Kajabi, completely and only Searchy Hubs, no, it's just not going to happen, but I love them together. What I've done with Kajabi and Searchy is, you see here, the search all video content. So this is my membership dashboard. These are all, you can see I've got Q&A calls from 2019 through now. We have trainings that I've broken out by section in Kajabi. If they click search all video content, remember I talked about widget? This is the Searchy widget that pops out. So right here, they can do all of their searching and pull up all the videos where a particular keyword was spoken, and they can go directly to the video and find their answer to what they're looking for. So utilizing that in Kajabi, I think, is a fantastic tool. That little sucker is not necessarily mobile responsive. And it also does not work on the Kajabi mobile app. If your students and members are using the app on their phones, it's not going to work. But you know what works? Creating a post in your product and taking that widget and grabbing that embed code and pasting it into the Kajabi product box. And that means there's always two ways people can search. There's actually a third way, but my particular product theme does not support that. So I'm just going to show you. Some people in their membership or courses have the navigation menu up here. Remember, I showed you that you can create a link, a URL to a Searchy playlist, and you could use that in the navigation, and it takes them off your Kajabi site, but it can open in a new tab and they can search. They can search to their heart's content and view the content right there without really leaving your membership, theoretically. I mean, it's going to open in a new tab. They're still right there with the membership part to it.